So now problem number 7, which is we have this graph here where on the x-axis we have the age in years of a person, and on the y-axis we have its weight in pounds. So this line here, the blue line, represents the function that we just mentioned, which is weight versus age. So the question is to describe in words how the person's weight varies with time. So this is just an interpretation. And one viewing this graph here, you can see that at 0 time, so this means when the person was born, its weight was approximately, let's say, 20 pounds, and then it continued growing until the age approximately of, let's say, something like 12 years old. And at the age, let's say, of 12 years old, it was approximately 70 pounds. Then you see that this line here is steeper than this, so that means that from 12 approximately to 30, approximately to 20 years old, the weight grew faster with time. So, and let's say at approximately when the person was 20 years old, its weight was approximately, let's say, 160 pounds. Then from 20 up to 30, continued to grow a bit. And at 30, let's say it was, approximately 175. Now, you see at 30, the weight dropped and went, let's say, approximately to, let's say, 125 pounds, and it kept this way approximately until, let's say, what is this here, let's say, 37, 38 years old, and then from 38 until, let's say, 40 years approximately, it grew back rapidly, and it went to approximately, let's say, 180 pounds, and from 40 until, the 70 year of this person, it continued to grow just a little bit, and by the age of 70, the weight was approximately, let's say, 190 pounds. So that's the first part of the question, and then we have here the next part is, what do you think happened when this person was 30 years old? So this is like we have to interpret this here again. So you see, at 30 years old, the person suddenly, let's say, from 170, approximately 175 pounds, it went to 125 approximately. So the weight experienced some rapid drop. Some rapid decrease. So and let's say they ask us to represent this. This is kind of subjective. Everybody can give his own or her own explanation. But in the back of the book, they say that what is for sure is that the guy lost weight suddenly. So what can happen? It might at the end of the book they say that the person might want to diet, or he got sick, or he increased his exercise. I mean, you can say many things. I mean, you can say that the guy went on hunger strike. So I mean, it's like my point is that it's this thing is open to interpretation, so everybody can have like his own explanation. So, but the main thing is that, which is objective and not subjective. Not subjective is that the weight at the age of 30 years drop rapidly and went from like almost, as we said, 175 to 125 approximately.